There's a question. Genetically modified is increasingly being in our food, sometimes even without being labeled as such. This seems to be a worrying trend. What does Hazur think about it, and to what extent does Islam tolerate this modification?
As far as the nature of food is concerned, if scientifically food is made in a manner that it grows in size and feeds the people feeds the people who without this excessive food may suffer hunger. This is good intention. There is no doubt about it. So Islam cannot be against any such effort which promotes feeding of the people and relieves suffering from hunger. So far so good. But personally I am against genetic interference in our food because of other reasons which pertain to health. If man is driven to use these things, that's a case of compulsion. One cannot avoid it. But at the same time, he should be ready to suffer from the consequences of this, which in my opinion medically are not good. Because genetically interfered food may have many things which are as yet unknown, but they underlie in genetic symbols which may hurt the future generation of mankind, which may interfere with the human economy, human health, etc., not visibly immediately, but after a while. So these are my fears, which are not based on any injunctions of the Holy Quran, but they are based on my study of health. So one should be cautious. That is all I can advise. Please.